Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, November 6th. I'm Kaylee Nix, and this is your FreightWaves Morning Minute. Wall Street did not respond well to 3PL RXO's third quarter earnings, with the stock selling off sharply pre-market. With the release at 6:30 a.m., by 7 a.m., pre-market trading had the stock price down more than 14.8% to $15 a share. The negative news inside the earnings report was not terrible, but there was little sequential improvement. Adjusted net income for the company as a whole was down year over year to $2 million. Total revenue of $1.4 billion was off consensus estimates by $30 million. The net loss per share was 8 cents, with the total loss for the first 3 quarters of the year coming in at 32 cents per share. UPS night sort operations at its world port in Louisville resumed yesterday to allow for next-day air deliveries after a fiery crash of a cargo plane happened on Tuesday. The carrier is relaxing delivery commitments for today to account for the ongoing delays related to the runway closure and the resulting investigation into the crash. Delivery commitment times for next-day air early and UPS Worldwide Express Plus services to the U.S. have been delayed by 72 hours, and it will be extended by 90 minutes. The window for what is considered an on-time shipment will be extended for next-day air and second-day air as well. And the National Transportation Safety Board says investigators have found both the voice recorder as well as the cockpit black box and the flight data recorder from that crash have begun collecting other evidence to determine probable cause for the accident. The investigation will take at least a week to complete, but the NTSB says it is working as fast as possible to allow for the resumption of goods transport. As of yesterday, the death toll had climbed to 12 from the crash, including the 3 crew members who were on board. Initial reports showed that the left engine detached from the plane during the takeoff roll, which potentially led to the crash. Coming up today on FreightWaves TV, we've got a new episode of Bring It Home with JP Hampstead, and we've got the long haul with Adam Wingfield. Make sure that you tune in for both. And if you miss them live, you can always find them on our YouTube channel as well. That's it for your Thursday. We'll be back tomorrow morning to wrap up the week, and have a good day.